In order to get this problem right, you need to know what a mode is. And mode is just, in a list of numbers, the number that frequents the most. So really, if I have a list of numbers, I'm going to give you an example. Let's say the list of numbers 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 6, 7. Right? Over here, my mode will be 2, because 2 pops up the most. And let's say if there's a 3 over here, my mode over here would be 2 and 3, because you can have multiple modes. So it's really the number that pops up the most. And in this list that I gave you as an example, 2 and 3 pop up 3 times. So hence 2 and 3 would be your modes. So let's move on to this problem. The problem here is saying the numbers listed above, the only modes are 3 and 6. Each of the following could be the value of x except which one. So it's saying the only modes are 3 and 6. So here's my 3, here's my 3, and here's my 6, and here's my 6. So the 3 and the 6 both pop up. The 3 and the 6 both pop up twice. So let's work through the answer choices. 1. Let's say for x I threw in 1. Now look at that. 1 would also pop up twice. So that would make my mode 1 also. And the problem here is saying the only modes are 3 and 6. So I know that 1 cannot be the value of x, because if 1 was a possible value of x, then 1 would also be my mode. So I know that A is my answer. I'll go through all of these to show you how they don't work. Let's say 4 was a value of x there. 4 just pops up once in that list, so that wouldn't change the mode. 3 and 6 are still the numbers that pop the most. If this was 8 over here, it would be the same exact thing. 8 just pops up once. And if it was 9, it would be the same exact thing again. 9 just pops up once, so that wouldn't affect my mode. But again, if this was 1, then I would have a 1 there and a 1 there, so I would have 2 1s, which would add 1 as another mode to this list, and that's why except 1, all the other numbers could be possible values of that x.